Hello everyone, hello YouTube, welcome to Demonode. This is my first YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to execute a Python code in Ubuntu. Now, this video is not going to simple video which you found on other YouTube videos. It will be I'll give you a complete scenario or how to do Python coding in Ubuntu, which I do. I will tell you what I do. Now, first of all, I will start by saying that most of the programmers, which are very good programmer, they do coding on HackerRank, Hacker or Top Coder like that, like these websites. Now, while doing coding on these websites, you can you don't have to go to the other software or something. You can use some online compilers, and the one which I prefer or one which I recommend you is rep.it, which is this, and it shows the Python 3 version which you have to uh, choose while logging in, and you can log in using your GitHub account, and you can directly upload your code to GitHub, and these are some perks you get while using this. Now, you can write your code directly over here, and then just press the this button run, and you can have your code. Now let's go to our system. How do you use Python system? There are in system you can use Python code in two ways. Either the Ubuntu command line or Ubuntu terminal, or you can use some softwares like Eric Python, Bluefish, Genie, Python Spider, Eclipse, and all that. But the one which I use most oftenly is Python Spider, or Python Spider 3, which is a Python 3 third version. Now let's just write a code over here. First of all, you open gedit, and guys, this is just the starting point of um, coding in Python, and this is for the people who don't do much coding, and what I'm teaching here, most of the you will be knowing, but it's for the newbies. Now let's open gedit, and this is a perfect text editor. Now let's just write uh, Python is sexy. Now let's just save it. We'll name it as sample.py. We'll save it in a desktop. That's good. Now open your command line. This is Control Alt T, which you will be knowing. Now let's open desktop directory. CD desktop. We is the desktop directory, as you can see. Now let's write Python sample.py, and here you got it. Python is actually you got it. Now, if you want to use the Python third version, you get to write Python 3 sample.py. You again got it. But sometimes is the Python versions keep on coming in, the syntax changes, and so so you cannot always have Python and Python 3 here, that you have to specify sometimes when you do very long codes. Now to check which version of Python you are using, because sometimes you have to update to the new version when you are doing some APIs which require the latest version, which is 3.6 actually. So let's open another command line, and type here Python 3 version. Now, we could have typed this Python 3 version in the here over, but it will show some error, because here we are in the directory, and Python is installed in a system. As it is open source, it will be pre-installed while you install Ubuntu, and the version we are seeing here is version of Ubuntu is 16.0 for Xenial Xerus. And here you can see that the Python 3 version is of which I am using is 3.5.2, which is fair enough. Mm, uh, 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 Actually new version only, but now Python 3.6 has also been released. Moreover, you can at same time you can check the code in Python Spider 3 only, which is 3, which is also 3.5. You can see over here, and here we can write, here written Python says fu print. Now on the right hand side of the at the bottom you can see Python says FUS printout, and this is a very good uh, you know the development environment. You can also use Eric Python, which also has the same feature like this, but this but Eric Python sometimes becomes annoying, so that's why I'm using Python Spider, which is very smooth. uh, Now, most of the in most of the YouTube videos, you will find that the people will be showing you the Python code in desktop only. But if you want to save the Python code or series of codes in a folder to for the future, if you are working on something great, then how to execute over there? Then let's first of all move your file to some folder. Let's say in Javis. Let's go in Javis, and let's go in novels. Okay, and I saved it here. Now let's go to home, Javis. We saved in the novels, and here you can see sample.py. Now the noise is also a directory in home, so you have to again type cd and then home, then Javis, then novel. But you don't have to do it again and again. Then directly open command line from here and write python 3 sample.py. Here, great, you got it. So this way you can do it. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it, and have a nice day. Till we may meet next time, and you can subscribe, like, or share whatever you want to do. It's up to you. Thank you.